We're starting to see more and more quick VF series HSVs at the track, and ACCA's R8 Clubsport is the latest example of that. The car features an Ambrousi Racing built LS3 stroke to 418 cubes at 10.8 to 1 on E85, still using ported factory heads and a Marshall hydraulic roller camshaft. A Harrop 2650 top mount supercharger and interchiller lifts power to 1021 horsepower at the wheels, tuned by Tommy at Dyno House. The biggest change is the switch to a PTC 2-speed Powerglide and a GJ Drivelines alloy tail shaft. Later model HSVs are renowned to have a super strong rear end. The R8 is still using the factory 3.7 diff with adjustable coilovers. This car has gotten quicker every time it's gone out. By the way, if you're after some new track merch, grab some online at shop.fullboost.com.au.
895 154.